Hello, my name is Anandita Sahu and I'm from Delhi. I'm here with a poem called She. She. I don't know what is curse, being a girl or being in this world. The moment I think of living, I get a breaking news of a 3-year-old was raped. Reason was she was wearing a skirt. The moment I think of being safe, I get the wonderful news of a future doctor raped. Reason was she was out during night and asked for help from the so-called humans. The moment I think of helping someone, I get the fantastic news of a girl raped. Reason was she lent a helping hand to the stranger. The moment I think of laughing wholeheartedly, I get the super news of a girl was raped. Reason was she was a girl. The moment I think of smiling fearlessly, I get the marvelous news of a girl was raped and murdered. Reason was she denied the boys to touch her. The moment I dream to have a peaceful life, I get the fabulous news of a girl was brutally tortured with bulbs, rods, glass bottles, leading to internal organ damages and life damage. Reason was she wanted to live her life the way she wanted to. The moment I think of denying a person's love proposal, I get the amazing news of a girl burnt with an acid. Reason was she denied to accept the proposal of love. The moment I think of trusting a stranger, I get the stupendous news of a girl was raped by her classmates. Reason was she trusted them. The moment I think not all the humans are same, I get the outstanding news of a girl was raped in front of her friend and she was supporting the rapist. Reason was she trusted the girl. The moment I think I am safe at home, I get the excellent news of a girl was raped by her uncle. Reason was she was alone at home. The moment I think of putting on a short dress, I get the magnificent news of a girl was raped. Reason was she was wearing a traditional sari. The moment I think of raising my voice against the wrong, I get the admirable news of a girl was burnt alive. Reason was she was the only eyewitness of a rape. The moment I think of fulfilling my dreams, I get the exceptional news of a girl was raped by the office owner. Reason was she wanted a job. The moment I think of filing a case against the wrong, I get the mind-blowing news of a girl committed suicide as she was raped. Reason was she couldn't lodge an FIR due to her family's dignity, because family dignity is more important than life. The moment I think female feticide is a crime, I get the heartwarming news a 4-month baby was raped. Reason was she couldn't scream. The moment I think I would be safe at my law's house, I get the outstanding news of wife was beaten by husband till death for dowry. Reason was she didn't pay the charges for marrying him. The moment I think of a discrimination free society, I get to hear the terrifying news of a girl being raped, murdered, and whatnot. Reason was she belonged to the lower caste. The moment I think I would be delivered justice for anything wrong happened with me, I get the lovely news of a girl being served with her justice after 7 years of her death. The justice she deserved. Reason was she died. And finally she died. Reason was she. But then I thought, what if girls aren't there? What if they are killed in the womb? Because ultimately they need to die out of pain when they would enter this heinous world. Because whatsoever is to be done or is done, ultimately the girl has to die. This or that way. They would die every day. They would scream every day because we are girls and we are born to adjust. Thank you.